Welcome to APR Supply's Tech Tips for the Pros. Today we're going to be testing the compressor to see if it's shorted or grounded. The tools we'll be using today will be a nut driver to remove the fan to gain access to the compressor, and a good quality multimeter. We're suggesting the Fieldpiece SC680. Before doing anything else, be sure that all electrical power is turned off, both indoor and outdoor. Let's figure out what we're dealing with. Is the compressor single phase or three phase? According to the nameplate, this is a single phase condenser. Now we'll remove the condenser fan motor and top cover grill to gain access to the compressor. The next step is to pull the plug on the compressor so you can get access to the wire connections.
The first three tests verify the condition of the compressor windings. These tests should be made at the compressor terminals. The tests will be made with the meter set to the lowest ohm scale. The first test will be common to run, which will be the lowest ohm reading. In our example, it should be approximately 1.3 ohms. Second test will be common to start, which will be the next lowest ohm reading and should be approximately 1.6 ohms. Finally, the third test, start to run, will be very nearly equal to the first two tests added together. In our example, should be 2.93 ohms. You can find out what the correct ohm readings are for the windings by using the Copeland mobile app. Enter the model number of the compressor and you can access the data. Under the electrical tab are the ohm readings for the windings. The next three tests are to check the condition of the compressor electrical insulation. These tests will also be made at the compressor. One lead will be placed on a good ground. This could be part of the frame of the unit or one of the copper refrigeration tubes. This time the meter will be set to its highest ohm scale. The test will be common to ground, start to ground, and run to ground. These readings can never be below the compressor voltage times 1000. For example, a 230 volt compressor times 1000 equals a minimum of 230,000 ohms. Normally this reading will be in the millions of ohms or the mega ohm range.
Failure of any one of these tests will mean a failed compressor that must be replaced. A compressor must pass each of these 6 tests to be considered good. Thank you for watching APR's Tech Tips for the Pros. Hope to see you again soon.